Hello everyone, I'm Ashutosh Kumar and I'm going to discuss today about transport layer security. So before TLS, there is a origin, another protocol who do this work, transport layer security. That is called secure socket layer. What is called that? Secure socket layer. That is called SSL.
And
This is the outdated protocol. Which one is the outdated protocol? Secure socket layer. Earlier, in the beginning of the year, they are using secure socket layer SSL. But nowadays, in modern day era, they are using transport layer security. So let's understand. I'm going to attach in the classroom. You're going to download this content. No need to write anything. Just you understand. So SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer, while TSL stands for the Transport Layer. Okay, both are protocol used to provide security between the browser and web server. Browser, who is the browser and who is the web server? You are the browser and the website is a web server, right? So you going to write the website and you consume the data from the website. So from transport data from browser to the website, this this they need the security. Like in Cisco website, you are going to register your email yourself, don't you think? Yes.
Yes, yes,
And they're going to generate the OTP so that they're going to authenticate you and they will give you the privilege of accessing their database. So this is a major thing where from browser to website, whatever the transport of the data, suppose you are accessing the website of bank and you are using the user password to log in your account and you are transferring your money from one account to another account. So there is something called security between the your browsing to the website of that. Don't you think? Okay. So
yes,
yes, yes,
here this layer transport layer security provide. So please go through this layer having very smart difference how there is something called Hotja algorithm which going to use to support secure socket layer, but there is a modern algorithm is there. This is not anymore going to use for transport. Okay, and other important, this is the implicit connection. They set up the implicit connection and they use the port for the setup explicit. What do you mean by explicit? What do you mean by implicit? Means the connection between browser and website is the inbuilt. Explicit means external connection they're going to establish. So that's why the secure socket layer is much weaker and it's not so secure as for the transport layer. Okay, you go through these pointers for the, if anything you are not understanding, just ping me. Okay, now how this protocol developed. So fully you have SSL, then you have TLS release. So we have SSL 1.0, then it will goes to 1.2, sorry 2.0, then 3.0, then we have latest version 2008 TLS 1. So we are working with the TLS 2. Okay, right? Understand till there?
yes,
yes,
Okay, let's do the experiment because we believe in experiment. For doing this application, experiment, you need to install, there is an application called nmap. What is nmap? Network mapping. What is called? Network mapping is a tool. Okay, so how do you install the tool? You go to the web browser, in the web, sorry, terminal, open the, this is okay, this is the my turn. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here just update your system first. What is the command? Sudo apt update, and then followed by the sudo apt upgrade. Anything they will upgrade and update. Okay, and then pass your. So this is a Linux operating system. Wow, forget my password. Sorry guys, my code. Okay, once you do this update, then you have to install the nmap. I have done already, just I want to complete this update fast. Okay, we are done. So we have to, I'm going to share you this documentation, don't worry about that, just you understand. This is the utility on Ubuntu 2004. This is operating system. So how do you install? You go to the sudo. Sudo is nothing to have privilege access of the system. apt install nmap. So I have already done. Let me show you that. So this is sudo apt install. It's already there. You can see that it's already installed the latest version. Period. Okay. So how do you check this? Can you see here? I gave you the command complete. Try to understand first what this command says. Tell me few website which is the famous website from where we will do the testing of the TLS. Give me the example of the famous website. You generally
Like
browse those websites.
YouTube or W3 School, GitHub.
Yes, Google is another one. Okay, so you can see I took the example of the Google. So first you understand what do you mean by the 443 protocol. First you understand this is the website, google.com is a website. Okay, they have valid website. And 443 is the port number. What is the port number? We have two types of website. Next page. So we have 443 port and port 80. Have you heard about this port number? Port number 80, port number 4. 443 is secure. Okay. And 80 is unsecure. Means if you are using HTTP and whatever the address you will pass for accessing your website, this is called, it's going to hit on the port number 80. While you will use the HTTPS, this S means you are using the, for this website, 443. You understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So now, so this is, we are going for the secure. Otherwise, there is no concept of Either, let me take another. If I'm using this, there is no concept of what? Security at all.
Security.
Because due to this, as this security feature, then only we are discussing about two things that is called SSL and TLS. What do you say? So we are discussing about only this. Means we are discussing about only this. So we will do the lab for the port number hyphen P443. Means this is HTTPS. Understand?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Now they are telling network map script. What is there is two way any command in Linux. Try to understand, this is very high funda, but I will make you understand. Go to the new page. So what do you mean by this? There is yes, there is options. Any command having options, like I'm giving the date. Okay, or let me leave it date. Yes, we used the example of date. Show you some example, then it's more clear. What do options? So suppose I am giving any command date. So this is what it's giving you output. This is the date is a input. While you are throwing, they will give you output as a Monday, today's date with the time, with the IST and everything. Clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I'm going to
Yes, sir.
use the, yes, you understand? This is called command. Now option, either you go for hyphen, single hyphen. This is called shortcut. This is called shortcut. And I am taking the date limit. Let me the different uh, good example. Then I can show you the better. So let's use the cal is a command. If I hit, it will show you complete calendar of the April month, the present month, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If I'm going to use with the option with the Y, let's see what it's going to show. I give an option single Y, it's given the year Y for the year, entire year, present year of calendar. So options make the generic view of any command. So there's two type of option. Is the single, that's called shortcut, and there is double, that called full length. Okay, you understand?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
let me give you the full length example. Are you guys able to see my screen? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes.
so let me clear the screen now. So I gave you the example of the short length while you are using the only single hyphen. I'm going to show you long length options, like I want to see which Python program is running. So I will write 3 and I'm going to use long length, that is called version. So we have to type complete word, then only it's give the version. See, it's giving version. If I want to write in short form, just we have to use the option single. Sorry, used wrongly. I have to use capital V. Okay, it's a case sensitive. Just,
Okay, okay.
so single dot is the shortcut of that option, where is a double quote is give the long form of the option. So which one you like? That depend upon you.
Shortcut.
Because you are afraid with the command. But those who are expert, they use long because see. Okay, that's completely your choice. Does not matter. Whatever you feel comfortable, you can go with. So double quotes having the full form of script they are telling. Okay, is the full option. So netmap they are telling script. What is the script we are want to run? ssl-enum-cipher. So we want to run the secure socket layer. Why secure socket layer, sir? Why not TSLS? Secure socket layer, it's the original securing the transport layer. Its TLS is the advanced version or enhanced version of the SSL. Don't you think?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. So means so this is your grandfather name. Means the TSL grandfather is who? SSL. Of course, they are means outdated, but the command still generate this. So you understand this. So what is cipher? Cipher is nothing. Cipher is used is a key. It's a digital key by which you going to lock your the data. Otherwise, no one going to decrypt your data. So they encrypt your cipher is a key. Cipher is a key, and this is SL numeric cipher. So this script going to run and we're going to let's do this. Okay, so before going to do that, okay, let's see. First I will ping Google and let's see they are reachable or not. They are pingable. Okay, fine. Yes, no.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And I'm going to do the lab, then script. Okay, script. Then we have SSL. You can use the tab. Let me see. I also forget name because this is not day to day. And then we cipher, cipher, ciphers, then cipher, port number 443, Google. Okay, so they're going to generate the output. So let's try to understand what's generating reports over here. So this says that we are asking about SSL. What type of cipher you are running? Okay, on the secure port, whether it's secure or not. So starting the network mapping with this so and so time, they scan about the Google IP. Google public IP is this. They are scanning and they found that the Google host is up and they are able to reach with this, and the other address not able to scan, but this is the IP address with this, and those so many information. Now come to the my work. We are talking about SSL and what is talking TLS. You can
TLS.
Yes.
see cipher TLS version 1.0 they are using, 1.1 they are using, 1.2 they are using, means see our version. So they are using these three. They are not using. These are very rare because it's the latest. Even they are using 1.0, 1.1, 1.2. These TLS, but they are not using. Clear? So this lab proved that there is a meaning of all this. We will discuss gradually when we will study. There's so many. So do you feel awesome or not?
Yes.
So anyone going to ask you, just fire this command and tell the Google is using only TLS and they are using version 1.0, 1.1. Still, they are not using very recent. And this was in 8. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
so do we have to learn all that commands or?
Ah, well, because see, I saw you so many examples by looking on this. See, no need to run. Honestly, even I did not remember. Okay, whenever you need, you will get this. Half of things you know, half of things like you never forget about this, never forget. But these are the things. No one going to ask you, but sometime while you are working with Python or scripting, then you have to use this thing. But you are a technical guy, you should know what to troubleshoot. So honestly, no need to mug up. It will come by day, by practice. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just you try to understand the things, how to output to read these things. I will tell you what are this cipher, what are this key, cipher key, and how they are working. Okay, how they authenticate. You can see these are the vulnerable, what are the vulnerable, what are the things going to see. So any questions for cipher and TLS? So you are comfortable now, confident? I gave you this complete output on this document and other things also. I gave you the command how you going to TLS entire, like sudo openssl. Try for this. Okay. So we'll go start our system. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So bye bye. See you in next class. So I'm going to stop recording.